Hi there, loves! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of heavy makeup. Let's explore the bold and dramatic looks that are taking the beauty world by storm. Get ready to unleash your inner artist as we delve into the realm of intense smoky eyes, sculpted cheekbones, and bold lips. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and all the inspiration you need to rock a stunning, heavy makeup look. Nowadays, heavy makeup looks are all the rage, and it's no wonder why. With the rise of social media and platforms like YouTube and Instagram, people are embracing bold, dramatic makeup styles more than ever before. From intense smoky eyes to sculpted cheekbones and bold lips, heavy makeup allows for artistic expression and creativity. It's a trend that's empowering individuals to play with color, texture, and shape, pushing the boundaries of traditional beauty standards. So, if you're ready to make a statement and turn heads, dive into the world of heavy makeup and unleash your inner artist. To start, I've prepped my skin with a primer for a smooth base. Next, I'm applying a full coverage foundation to even out any imperfections. With a heavy-duty concealer, I'm concealing blemishes and dark circles. Now, let's sculpt those cheekbones with some contouring and add a pop of glow with a highlighter. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going bold with dark, smoky eyeshadows, dramatic eyeliner, and volumizing mascara. False lashes for that extra oomph. For the lips, I'm going for a deep plum to complement the dramatic eyes. Setting everything in place with a setting spray, and voila! A fierce, heavy makeup look ready for the spotlight. When it comes to wearing heavy makeup, timing is key to ensure you're making the most of your look. Consider these suggestions for when to rock your heavy makeup. For special events, heavy makeup is perfect for those special occasions like weddings, parties, or galas, where you want to make a glamorous statement and stand out in the crowd. Whether you're the bride, a guest, or simply want to dazzle, heavy makeup adds that extra touch of elegance and allure. Night out with friends. Planning a night out with friends? Embrace heavy makeup to complement your evening attire and add some drama to your look for a night of dancing and fun. Whether you're hitting the club or enjoying a dinner party, bold makeup is sure to turn heads and make you feel confident and fierce. Photo shoots. Whether it's for professional headshots or a creative photo shoot with friends, heavy makeup can enhance your features and create stunning images that pop on camera. From soft glam to full-on editorial looks, heavy makeup allows you to experiment and create captivating visuals that capture your unique style and personality. Performances. If you're a performer, heavy makeup is essential for stage appearances, as it helps define your features and ensures your look is visible from a distance. Whether you're singing, dancing, or acting, bold makeup enhances your stage presence and adds to the overall impact of your performance. Editorial or creative projects. Heavy makeup is often used in editorial shoots, fashion shows, and creative projects where bold, avant-garde looks are celebrated for their artistic expression. From high fashion editorials to experimental makeup artistry, heavy makeup allows you to push the boundaries and create captivating visuals that inspire and captivate. Theme parties or cosplay. If you're attending a theme party or engaging in cosplay, heavy makeup can help you transform into your desired character with bold colors and intricate designs. Whether you're channeling a vintage Hollywood starlet or a fantastical creature from another realm, heavy makeup brings your character to life and adds authenticity to your costume. Remember, there are no strict rules when it comes to makeup, so feel free to experiment and wear heavy makeup whenever you feel like expressing your creativity and embracing your unique style. Whether it's for a special occasion or simply a fun night out with friends, let your imagination run wild and have fun with your makeup looks. After all, makeup is all about self-expression and celebrating your individuality. It's crucial to stress the importance of thoroughly cleansing your skin and removing all makeup before bedtime, especially if you've been wearing heavy makeup. Leaving makeup on overnight can wreak havoc on your skin in several ways. Firstly, it can clog your pores, leading to breakouts and other skin issues. Heavy makeup, in particular, can suffocate your skin, preventing it from breathing properly and potentially exacerbating these problems. Additionally, sleeping in makeup can accelerate the aging process by contributing to the breakdown of collagen and elastin, resulting in fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness over time. Not to mention, mascara and eyeliner left on overnight can flake into your eyes, causing irritation or even infections. By thoroughly cleansing your skin before bed, you allow skincare products to penetrate more effectively, promoting hydration and nourishment. Plus, you reduce the risk of skin irritation from makeup ingredients. So, make it a nightly ritual to remove all traces of makeup, ensuring your skin stays healthy, radiant, and free from damage caused by sleeping in heavy makeup. Your skin will thank you in the morning. I want to extend my sincerest gratitude to each and every one of you for tuning in to watch this video on the ins and outs of heavy makeup application. Exploring the world of makeup together has been an absolute delight, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and inspiring. Remember, while heavy makeup can be a fantastic tool for self-expression and confidence building, it's essential to approach it with mindfulness and care. Whether you're gearing up for a special event, a night out with friends, or simply indulging your creative side, always prioritize the health and well-being of your skin. Take the time to cleanse thoroughly at the end of the day, removing all traces of makeup to allow your skin to breathe and rejuvenate overnight. And above all else, embrace your unique beauty, both with and without makeup. You are exquisite just the way you are. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me on this makeup journey. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay fabulous, stay fierce, and keep shining bright.